I am an actress, been acting for such a long time until I decided that time is up for me to get another sleeve. So I decided to do editing. And where else could I be other than here at Talanta Institute? I've been here since September, and I can say my journey has been such a beautiful one. The things I've learned, you don't say. See? Yeah, being a student and still learning more and more. One thing I can say is that everything which is done at Talanta Institute is basically practical. Of course, you get to learn the theory part of it, but basically everything is done practically. And it's a good thing, because at least you gain the skills. You're able to understand everything from the word go. You're able to touch and feel it from the word go. By the time I came to do editing, I had literally tried to do editing via YouTube. Yeah? There's something we call School of YouTube. So I tried doing my studies through YouTube. In fact, I was looking at my diaries at home the other day, and I realized that I had started doing it sometime in 2022. Then 2023, here I am at Talanta Institute, and I am doing editing. But I can tell you, when you learn from YouTube, it is not exactly the same as when you come and you're taught by your teachers. Because for me, it was a bit of a struggle to get to use my phone, and at the same time, I'm using the screen. So I'm trying to juggle the both of them, yeah? I tried, if I can say that. But since I came to Talanta Institute, I can see the difference. It is immense. Because at least most of the things that now I can see physically, I can see visually, are the things that I was trying to do practically on the other end. And most of the things that have been taught by my trainer here, Teacher Mary, there are things I had seen, but I didn't know how to go about them. But right now, at least I can say I'm comfortable, and everything that I had seen back then, I'm able to do it practically. If you're out there and you feel that there's something you've not done, yeah, Talanta Institute is here. And you're going to gain something which is going to be a lifetime skill. This is the place to be. Just come here and you're going to gain the skills. And it's going to be 99% practical. Utapenda tu.